Hi everyone, today in this video I am going to teach you about top 5 highly paying and latest money earning apps in this year. All of these applications I am going to show you are very brand new and which not discussed earlier. By using these applications you can make up to $5 to $500 or even more within 5 minutes. So this is not a joke. As a proof you can see it here. You can do this from your home as a part-time job. Now you can decide, will you continue to use apps that are making few dollars or start to use these applications that are making $100 and $1,000 on daily basis. After watching this video, you will be able to catch the best app for earning money online. If you want, you can use any of these applications as your part-time money earner on daily basis in anywhere from the world. Also, they are all for free. As an initial thing, you need to have a PayPal account before joining with this application because it's the only way for get money out from these apps. So if you don't have, you should make a new PayPal account for entire free by just visiting the paypal.com. It will take only few minutes and then you can enjoy to use all of these applications as you wish. By using these apps, you will get paid attractive amount of money. And don't forget that it will not make you a richest person. If you need genuine side hustle or anything to support yourself and your subordinates, there are several apps you could use. And the amount of money you can earn is depend on the portion of the time you can allocate for the apps. So please be with the entire video. I will teach you everything how these apps are functioning. So I hope you will pay your close attention and you will not miss the strategic points that I am going to show you today. Most of these applications I am going to teach you are free to use in any country around the world and you can use without any restrictions. Okay, let's see. This is the first app I am going to teach you in this video. There you can see some recommendations about the people who use in this website and their reviews about the earnings. The name of the first application I am going to show you is called steadyapp.com. You can see it here as well. It is paying only for using the app, and also it mentioned their members can earn up to $5,500 for application usage. It's very attractive way it works. There is one negative thing of this app. It's currently available for only USA and not in the worldwide. As I said before, most of these apps I am going to show you are in the worldwide, but this is the only app available in the USA. Don't worry, in this video I will give you another names of websites which can use all around the world. To join with this application, click here and get it. We are going this, you could download the Steady app or get from the App Store to the mobile. Otherwise, as shown in the top of the page, input your mobile number and get the link. According to they are showing here, the Steady app has been paid over $1 million to their users as the incentives. And also they have featured the application on Forbes, Google, Yahoo and other famous news channels. This is one of the new released app and now it's very famous in USA. So don't miss this valuable opportunity and join with the steadyapp.com. As a second money making app, I will show you a new application called Money App. As well as the meaning of the name, with this application you can get paid dollars. So this is really amazing. Then you just need to do is download it from the App Store. If your mobile device is using App Store in iPhone or Play Store in the Android, you can appear it like this. You can get more about this Money App by just clicking the App Store. Then you will take you to the inside and you will appear what it looks like. As you can see, this app have over 136,000 reviews. So it's mean that it's very popular among the worldwide and millions of people are downloading and using it. And also, it actually shows that they are earning money from it. These app creators are mainly doing is, they are letting you to do some surveys. As mentioned in here, it's showing that Money App is very easy to use. You can earn some extra money as you can see here in these 3 steps. First one is earning credit can be achieved by just watching videos, sharing them, completing some surveys and also many more things. Cash out can do only after you received enough cash balance and you can proceed the request to transfer your money to PayPal. And finally, you can enjoy and get your rewards within 48 hours after completion of payment process. This is the third app I am going to teach you is called surveymo.com. As well as the second app I've shown you, this app also paying for doing surveys by you. But this app is paying well than previous one. You can earn up to $5 per one answer which you are giving. As I think, according to my knowledge and experiences, there is no any highest paying survey app like this among these money making apps. And it is paying very amazingly and you can take into your PayPal account. If you go in below, you can see here, when you complete answering to the all survey questions, your earnings will be transferred to the Surveymo account. And according to your preference, you can get it into your PayPal account or Surveymo gift cards. So this is not a complicated app and it's easy to use. To register with the app, you just need to click the sign up button here. Anyone who living in any country can join with this app because it's accept many more countries around the world as you can see here. Among these flags, you can select your country and then you will see how much money you can earn according to your location. And furthermore, you can see the amount you are going to earn is vary with the location you are living in. To sign up as a new user, you just need to come here and hit the sign up button. Then you will take to this page which open in bottom side of the website. Then you need to fill out all these boxes by providing just simple details such as your email address and password. So then you can log into your profile by giving fully access to earn money by just completing the surveys and answering the questions. So this is the next application I'm going to teach you. It's called test.io. It is quite interesting app because it is paying for testing free websites and some of mobile apps using on your smart devices. Actually, most of these mobile apps you are using for day-to-day activities. As you all know, there are lots of companies maintaining their website for different purposes and they should aware about its quality. So some of companies are looking for third-party feedbacks to develop and enhance the performance of their website by using platforms like test.io. Then they will identify several issues and problems by evaluating your answers provided to the survey questions and you will get paid. This is the best chance you earn more money as you can see here. If you can find some problems occurring in this website, you will be paid up to $50 per one issue. Actually, with my previous experiences, I can confirm that they will be paid very handsomely. And also, there is a chance to earn additional income by rating these platforms and websites. So you will be paid each and every issue such as bugs or glitch you found in the websites because it's the most valuable information for their owners. Especially they need to maintain their websites and applications to improve their services to provide best output. So then I'll show you how you can join with this application. There is nothing complicated and you just have to complete all these details and hit the sign up button. I think this is a great place to earn money online because you just need to do easy jobs and paying attractively what you achieve. So this is the final app I am going to teach you. It's called Pidera.com. As it mentioned here, it supports you to convert your time into dollars. In this application, you can earn by doing different jobs which can do very easy and simple. This app also can be used by anyone around the world without any restriction in any country. And it can be used on your PC or mobile. As same as the previous apps I've shown you, this app is also paying for answering the survey questions and it has no limit. So if you have more time to spend with this app, you can earn more money. And especially, you can get your money out at the same day. When you are getting cash out, you will be see right here what they are going to offer. And also you will be get paid for sign up to any website. It's not difficult task, but don't forget you can earn few dollars with one website login. So there is another chance to earn money by inviting your friends to join with this app and for every and each friends you are bringing here will be rewarded. As you can see here, there are over 930,000 members have registered and over 7.8 million jobs have completed by them. And also over $1.5 million have been paid out for members who done their task. To create an account on this app, initially you need to hit this I want to create an account button and then you will be get into this page. You need to complete this form and then you have to verify your account. Then you will be shown your dashboard. So these are the all applications I wanted to show you. Thank you very much for being with me. See you in next video.